morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm CJ Tasta,
I'm CJ Martinez,
and this is What's News.
Our headline for today is a 6.5 magnitude of earthquake hit the southern part of Leyte and other provinces. We have Mayan for more details.
Yes, CJ Martinez, and let's interview some residents for us to know if they really felt the earthquake. Ano po bang pangalan niyo? Ako nga po pala si Clarence Terry. Ako na pala si Kevin. So, ano po nararamdaman niyo nung Siyempre, nagulat kasi natakot. Siyempre natakot at tumigil kami sa aming mga ginagawa dahil sa nararamdaman namin dito. So, ano po bang ginagawa niyo noon? Siyempre, naglilinis ng bahay. Nasa loob kasi kami ng bahay ni naramdaman namin ng lindol. Okay. Salamat po, ma'am. Salamat. So, nakakailang interview na ako si G. Martinez at lahat sila ay nagsasabi. Talagang nararamdaman nila ang lindol. At ako nga pala, si Mian Formisa. Thank you, Mian.
And in our sports news, Manny Pacquiao with his wife, Jinky, was warmly welcomed in the province in Sarangani. We have Jake Bano reporting. Actually, Senator Manny is currently praying with his wife, Jinky Pacquiao, and we will wait until they're done. Magandang umaga, Senator Pacquiao. Pwede mo ba kayong ma-interview kahit saglit? Oo naman. Senator Manny, kumusta na po kayo?
Okay naman. Wala yung pagod ko dahil sa pagsalubong na aking mga kababayan.
Senator Manny, ano naman yung masasabi niyo sa laban ni Man? Di ba palagi lang siyang nangihidbat?
Para sa akin naman, yung estilo ng talaga niya yun kasi sa referee niya, sa referee namin, parang sinutulungan niya yung kalaban ko dahil ang tagal makawat.
Senator Manny, marami na pong nagsabi dito na kailangan niyo na po daw magretiro dahil sa edad niyo. Ano yung namang sabi niyo dito?
Para sa akin lang ay, pinag-isipan ko talaga yan niya kung itutuloy ko pa ba o hindi yung vaccine.
At sa iyo naman, Ma'am Jinky, ano na namang masasabi niyo sa desisyon sa iyong asawa?
Wala naman akong problema sa kanyang desisyon. Kung saan niya gusto, doon lang din ako.
Okay, salamat po. Salamat po sa binigay niyong oras, Mr. and Miss Pacquiao. Dito live from Jensen, back to you, CJ Testa. Thank you, Jake Pano.
Okay, and for our history, let's go back to the time where a Muslim fortress declared martial law.
My countrymen, as of 21st of this month, I signed proclamation number 1081, placing the entire Philippines under martial law. This proclamation was to be implemented upon my clearance, and clearance was granted at 9 o'clock in the evening of the 22nd last night. The President shall be Commander-Chief of all armed forces of the Philippines. And whenever it becomes necessary, he may call out such armed forces to prevent surprise.
And that's how Marcos declared martial law.
What a remarkable speech of our President Marcos. Isn't it, CJ?
Yes, indeed. And again, I'm CJ Testa,
I'm CJ Martinez,
and this is What's News.